We were sent this memory foam crate mat from Bedsure for our review. We absolutely love Bedsure, and recently we have discovered all of their pet products. So I'm super excited to open this up, check it out, and excited for Walter to be able to use it. We will put it at the bottom of the crate that we have. Look at this. I love their products. Look at it just puffing up. It always brings me such joy to see that. Oh, it is so soft. Oh, Walter's going to have some good sleeps. Oh, look at this. Walter, check this out. So this, okay, obviously, as I said, so it's a memory foam. It is so squishy. Look, you can't wait to get on it. Very squishy. I love that so many of their products have this nice zipper here, so it's easy to take off and clean. And this kind of feels like, so strange. It kind of feels like a styrofoam type thing. So it must be like waterproof. And then, of course, you have this beautiful mat that you're just going to slip this into. And same thing, I'm going to feel the inside because I'm going to go ahead and bet. Oh, look at this. You have this on the bottom, so it's not going to be slipping and sliding. And we're going to find the zipper here somewhere. That's one of the things that I actually love about them is they kind of hide their zippers, which is great so that, you know, sometimes the zippers get caught on things. So it is underneath here. So we're going to flip it this way. Oh, there we go. And you know what? Feeling on the inside. Yep. This is completely waterproof. So our other one is like that too. This is awesome. The dog, even if it's a cat, whatever it may be, no liquid is going to run through that and ruin your mattress. Oh, Bedsure, you are amazing.